I bought this Woody from you guys, but there's a problem with it. It's not what it seems. Watch what happens when I click it.
This town ain't big enough for your mama's ass.
That's not one of his catchphrases from the movie. I missed the fourth one. Like,
That's really weird.
There's a snake in my pants. Why don't you try and fish it out?
You hearing this?
look at this
Talking
thing.
dirty stuff.
Hey, Jesse, why don't I show you how I got the name Woody? Woo!
It was only, how much did you pay for it?
I paid like $50 for this thing.
It's only ringing up $8. So without
$8?
without a receipt, that's all I can give you. I'm sorry.